Here's how to create a crafty Valentine's Day video. Step 1. Doodle a heart. Record yourself doodling a heart on a piece of paper. A blue or green marker works best for this. Step 2. Put your favorite memory in the heart-shaped doodle. Import your favorite memory into InShot. Tap PIP and import the video of your doodle. Press autofill to fit to screen, then tap chroma to reveal your favorite memory. Adjust your strength and shadows accordingly, and now you have your favorite memory in the heart. Now go ahead and tap sticker to decorate your video. Download your favorite sticker packs from the sticker store. Then pick out your favorite stickers to decorate your video. Adjust the duration of your stickers. And there you have it, a crafty Valentine's Day video to celebrate your love story. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.